At home with Mr Tumble. Oh, hello! It's me, Mr Tumble. I was just about to do my warm-up. Are you ready? Join in with me. Very good. Now, we've been spending a lot of time in our homes at the moment. What have you been up to? Oh, very good. Excellent. Aha! Wait. Today, I've been baking a delicious cake. Ta-da! What do you think? It's got a lovely flan base at the bottom. Oh, lots of scrum-diddly-umptious cream in the middle. And on the very top is a delicious cherry. I may have a slice later on. Why don't you get a grown-up to help you bake your very own cake? Delicious. Right, I'll pop it there for a minute. Don't move. Now, I'll show you the sign for cake. Here we go. Cake. You sign. Cake. Fantastic. Now, you've been sending in your funny jokes. Oh, thank you, everyone. Today's joke comes from Finley. He says, what do you call a very fast cake? I don't know, Finley. And the answer is scone. Scone. That's a good one. Well, I think it's time for me to have a little slice of my cake. Thank you so much for joining me, and look after yourselves, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. I'll just go and get a plate and Oh dear. Bye-bye, everyone. Ooh, delicious. Hello, it's me, Mr Tumble. Did you enjoy that? Woohoo! If you want to see more of me and my friends, then go to BBC iPlayer and look out for CBeebies Something Special.